Hi everyone, this is Geeta Suchani once again. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the very delicious royal mango recipe. It's a mango dessert and mangoes are still in the season, so it's worth to make mango dessert, and it's very favorite at my home. All are have a craving of this mango dessert. See, I had taken two mangoes. These are seems raw mango, but these are ripe mango. I had cut in the cubes and put it in the jar to blend it, and now we will add 2 teaspoon or tablespoon, whatever as your mango sweeten or not. I had added 3 elaichi seeds and blend it very well. See this thick puree. First we will remove 2 tablespoons of thick puree because we have to decorate the mango dessert, and after that we will add half a cup of milk, and we have to put the thick consistency of this puree because it's not a drinkable. We will make it the dessert of eatable. So I had added half cup of milk and half cup of fresh cream and blend it again. Now we will take the 2 bowls of serving mango dessert. I had taken digestive biscuits too because we are making some different type of dessert, some creativity, and make saffron milk. So first in the bowl we will pour the mango puree. After that dip the digestive in the saffron milk and put it in the middle. After that we will put some mango chunks, and again we will fill the mango puree up to full of bowl, and we will decorate that puree we had first removed from the jar, and see we will decorate it after that in the with the dry fruits. So it's up to you how you are decorating, and see how yummy it's looking. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe, and do make it at the home. This recipe, guys, is very yummy. And goodbye, have a nice day. Thank you.